Now it's time to ask you to subscribe in our channel. Please click on subscribe and click to ring the bell. So every time I release a new video, you will receive a notification. And watching the video, our channel will become more significant to every people that is looking for this kind of content. And don't forget to give your like to our video. And if you are interested in purchase or acquire any Red Pianos libraries, please feel free to contact me in this number. I'm waiting you on WhatsApp, Telegram or Instagram messages. And keep in touch with our channel. I will release a lot of videos showing our Red Pianos libraries. See you in the next. I am Eduardo from Red Pianos.